Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Just come up to the local park to do a quick test to see how long the battery will last with these LED lights on the Solo. I'm not sure how long the battery should last without them. It's only my third flight. But Drone Worship left me a message saying there should be between 14.5 and 15 minutes. So I'm just going to give it a quick fly around and see how long they last with these lights on.
Armed. Ready for takeoff. Battery 93%. Altitude 1.2 inches. Speed 0.07 miles per hour. Not recording.
Just make sure she's nice and steady before they go anywhere. Currently got 9 satellites. Just going to have a fly around nice and easy.
Battery 89%. Altitude 39.21 feet. Speed 9.35 miles per hour. Not recording.
It's a really still day today, no breeze at all. But it is really cold. It's 12.5 minutes. Just started the screen recorder and we're at 23%.
Battery 23%. Altitude 22.70 feet. Speed 2.01 miles per hour. Recording.
It's 13 minutes, battery at 21%.
Battery is getting low. 20%. Battery 19%. Altitude 25.95 feet. Speed 3.83 miles per hour. Recording.
Probably going to bring it into land when it gets to 15%. Just coming up to 14 minutes. Just cruising around, staying close by now in case it starts to
Battery is getting low. 15%.
At 15%, I'll bring it down to land.
Battery 14%. Altitude 25.56 feet. Speed 0.72 miles per hour. Recording. Waiting for GPS. Disarmed.
Landed.
Battery is too low for flight. Recording active. Ready for takeoff. Not recording.
Landed at just under 14.5 minutes. So I'm fairly pleased with that, it's not too bad. Battery's at 13%. Thanks for watching guys, till next time. See you later.